Morning everyone. Good morning. We are in this place called Ayr, A-Y-R, and it's a tiny little town in between Townsville and Bowen. Yesterday I left Port Douglas and I started going towards Townsville, and my goal was to end up somewhere around here. This place is amazing. Now have a look at this, right behind me. Ignore the car, but look at the houses, all the cabins. They're nicely placed. So there's total about 13 cabins. There's also camping sites here. I could have camped last night. A lot of the times you will see these places, they have got this drive-through bottle-o, like a drive-through bottle-o. Usually it's a drive-through, or you can stop and get the bottles out. Behind that they will have a bar, a restaurant, like a pub, actually it is a pub, yeah. Behind that sometimes they have accommodation, right? So yeah, I stopped yesterday at this bottle-o, and I asked the lady, hey, can somebody help me with the accommodation? Then she told me to go and speak to Debbie. Debbie was like, oh yeah, we got something. This is my room number 3. Made a mess again, as usually I do. So that's my backpack. It's a pretty nice room, pretty decent room actually. The aircon's going on, and my bathroom, toilets, and all my electronics are getting charged as usual. For tonight the goal is to go towards Rockhampton. So I have a friend in Rockhampton, so I'm going to see her. I'm gonna stay at her place. So thank you, Sandy, thank you so much for offering that. Yeah, we'll get out of here ASAP. It's like 9:30 right now, and it's going to be a hot day today. No more rain, so that's good. Alright, let's go. I decided to go a little bit in and then get out. So I'm not gonna go down A1. I'm gonna come in a little bit. At least I'm getting some twisting roads. I can still do over 100 kilometers per hour on those twisting roads. So they are not like the Great Ocean Road where the twisties are really quick. They're like, you know, like that. I'm in this town called Collinsville. I got some water. They didn't have the big bottles. They had like small bottles. So apparently they have issues with the delivery drivers because of the floods in Brisbane a few weeks ago, and also they blame COVID. Yeah. So Neighbour is about 200 kilometers from here, so which will pass Mackay as well, and then I'm still going to keep it inside and go all the way to Rockhampton. Very thirsty at the moment. About 300 kilometers away from Rockhampton, and in the middle of nowhere really. Hello.
Hey buddy, you right?
I'm okay. I'm just waited here.
What was that?
I just stopped here to change the GoPro batteries.
Ah, cool. You're alright then, eh?
Yeah, I'm all good. I'm all good. I'm just gonna change this and get back on with it.
Nice one. Alright, have a good trip down there.
You too.
Have you been on this road before?
No.
Alright, a little bit of road works there on a bridge and that.
Okay. There's some works that side as well.
Is there?
Yeah.
And then there's a windy
nice
trip down the mountain and stuff.
Looking for some windy roads. It's all been straight so far.
They're a bit thin and narrow, so be careful of oncoming traffic, of course, I know.
Okay.
I've got a bike myself, I like looking at corners.
Yeah.
Got some blind corners there.
I'll be careful, thank you.
Right, you too. See you later, mate.
See ya. It's hot. The GoPro battery got stuck. It expanded. So it expanded and then it got stuck. So I tried to take it out, but it's not that hot. It's only 34 degrees. There we go. So the cover that it comes with got broke, and the little latch that it comes with also broke, and we are left with just this. So you can see the battery is expanded a little bit. So that little cover on the top and also this latch here, they both broke. Oh man, I regret forgetting the water bottle today. So last night, just before going to bed, after having my food, I did get some water, but I forgot to get the water bottle out of the fridge. So yeah, shouldn't have done that. So I'm in Rockhampton now. My friend's house is about 24 minutes away from here. So I'm gonna finish the food, go there for the night. The sun's already set though. Really good food. So there's a lot of food as well. At one point I thought that I was not going to finish it because it's too much, but I managed to finish it. But now I need more water. It's only like $15 for the box. It's a pretty good box. Anyway, so I'm gonna find the bin, chuck this out, and then keep on going. Look, there's a grasshopper, I think. There's a grasshopper on my... Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There you go. We've got a grasshopper for the first time ever in the helmet.